Hello, hello, hello again. So this is going to be a quick unboxing. I got 10 minutes because I have to get back to class. I'm doing a exam prep course. I'm taking my CISA exam on the 26th. It's 2 Fridays from yesterday. No, 3 Fridays from yesterday. Anyways, I ordered something from Fashionphile, totally impulse purchase. Yeah. Inside this slot. Ooh, it came in the mail. Let me go in and open it real quick while I'm on break. We're on our lunch break. And if you know, you know. Oh, Lord. So, of course, my Fashionphile. Usual stuff. Packaging. Our confetti. For a while, they were also giving a calendar, but I don't see the calendar in here. That's all right. Oh, did this come with the box? Ooh, all right now. See, this is the problem. You know you shop too much if you don't remember what things come with. There we go. And then this Fashionphile. Fashionphile is my go-to for shoes and purses. Oh, you're not going to act right, huh? Why is this not cooperating? Ooh. This is what we're fixing to do right here. Let's pull that boy out since you don't want to act right. So there we go. Fashionphile box. Piece right here. So I was on the Fashionphile website like a week ago, and you know, I just look around. Usually I just look at what's new that's coming. But then I have been watching I don't know if you guys know about these online Instagram lives, different places. The most popular one I know of is Coveted by Christos, and he does a lot of online live sales of vintage Chanel things. And this particular online live was he's the host, and he usually has either a consignment store come on or a private collector come on to sell, you know, whatever it is they want to sell, usually related to vintage Chanel. And in this case, I was watching my CC story. She was the private collector who was on Christos, Coveted by Christos. I'll put the links on there on this video in the, you know, the information section. And they were just showing these fun things from like the early 2000s. And they were very colorful. I'm very much vintage Chanel, like 80s, 90s. I have lots of pieces. But then I got to thinking, you know what, that does look fun. So I just went on to Fashionphile, just thought I'd look around to see if I can find anything from the 2000s, that early 2000s, mid 2000s, that sort of had that colorful, fun flair to it. So I looked around online and I found this, and I forgot that it came with this box. I wonder if this is the original box. Huh, well, this is what it is. Oh, well, that's not helpful. Oh, so you're just not gonna focus, huh? They sure aren't. Anyway, y'all, it's a bag. This is not focusing. Did I mess something up? All right then. So, oh my gosh, it said it was in great condition. Let me see. Oh. Number 1, 2, and 3, I love clutches. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me calm down. Let me finish looking before I get excited. It really came with everything. Ding, ding, dong. Wow, it came with the box, authenticity card. Oh, the dust bag. Let me make sure. It looks like it, but yeah, the dust bag. Ooh, whoever had this did not use it. The original tags. Okay, how much did this used to cost? Ah, the tag's off. Okay, so 2003 cruise. Okay, so they took off the price, but that's all right. This is clean, y'all. I mean, clean, clean. Oh my gosh. And this is a little wristlet part. Uh-oh, it looks a little small now. Wait a minute, it's gonna fit on my wristlet, right? Oh, wait a minute now. This will be comedy if it doesn't fit. I mean, it has a little, is there something preventing me? Am I not getting something? Okay, so this is the little wristlet area. And this is a chain. Okay. Y'all, if my wrist is too big for this, I'm about to be hot. Let me see. Oh, okay, no, I'm good. Oh my God, it's so cute. It is so cute. I just love the color. The color's coming off pretty accurate. It's like a salmon, pinky peach. Look at that. It is in great condition. I mean, someone definitely used this a couple times, but that's about it, y'all. Oh, this is wonderful. I absolutely love it. So I got me some fun Chanel. Yay! I love it. Okay, let me go a full room so we can see this. Shoot, I'll take this off and use it as a wristlet. I mean, it's a bracelet. Can I remove it? Oh no, it's not removable. Okay then, so I can't, don't look at the ash. I just washed my hands and I was hoping to film this video in a way that it would be fast enough before my hands dried up and you can see the ashiness, but that didn't happen, so sorry about the ashy. Okay, let's see. The stitching is still great. This is Chanel, made in Italy, huh? Let me see. Made in Italy, yeah. Okay. Oh. Oops, somebody's trying to call me. Can't talk right now. Wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Shoot, I'm gonna use this bad boy today. This goes with this little denim outfit. Put some stuff in here. I have to do a what's in my bag. Okay, let me calm down. Let me actually look at this in more detail. Make sure I haven't missed something. So yeah, it's patent leather and PVC. And just regular cloth on the inside. A little CC on the edge, perforated. I love this. I absolutely love it. Oh, how cute. And on the back, it's just Chanel that way. Ah, this is so cute. This is such a good find. Okay, let me use my own eyes. Okay, so there is discoloration here. You can see. Child, I don't care about that. Let me see anything else with my naked eye. So that looks like the biggest thing right here. So y'all can see that. It's a good bit of it. And then let's see what's under here. Shoot, you can't tell me anything. This is cute. Let me look at my eyes. Yep, no discoloration on this side. So this will be the side that I'll be showing. I love it, but I mean, you know what? It's really not that noticeable. And I'm calling this a purse. I wonder if this was a cosmetic. Was it a cosmetic case or? It was a cosmetic case. No wonder. Okay. But I mean, listen, I'm using this as a clutch. I don't know what kind of cosmetic case comes with a wristlet like this. I mean, do the LV ones come with wristlets? I don't think so. Not the ones that are officially cosmetic cases. But who cares? It's clutch. I'm using it as a clutch. I love it. Aw, I'm very happy. Okay then. So, yeah, I lucked out like the bandit. This is beautiful. Oh, it came with the ribbon? Wait a minute now. Oh, this person bought this and never used it. Or, I mean, no, they could have just kept everything really, look at the, man, this was a nice little find right here. Authenticity card, tissue, and everything's still up in here. Alrighty, I am very happy. Y'all check out these things on Fashionphile. They've always got something coming new, but wow, this is really fun. This is totally my style. I love it. Shoot, it sort of matches this tone of my cup too, the little peachy color. Shoot. And y'all know doggone well I did not pay $1,000 for that, so don't get it twisted. Yeah, it was clearanced. I lucked out. I will say, I know I lucked out for that. I have an unboxing, I talk about it, but I lucked out with that one. But anyhow, here is my beauty. I am so excited. I love her, love her, love her. I'll be using her this week. Okay, y'all, I done used up almost all my lunchtime between cleaning off the counter and getting this set up. All right, you guys, until next time, bye.